Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Sayogo Utomo. My student number is 1906-10146. And now I'm gonna explain about my final project of computer programming, which is making a UI to solve operation research problem. So let me show my screen. Okay, so this is the UI. It is about inventory calculator, and this UI can solve inventory problems, and there are three inventory problems that is focused on this program, which is total cost, minimization cost, and maximum inventory level. So for the problem I get from this book, so problem 5.4, order management in the footwear industry, and it is focused on several problems like this one, the optimum, the total cost, and this is the equation: q divided by 2 times h plus k times d divided by q plus pd. And the next one is this optimum order quantity, so it is the minimization cost of the order. And the last one is the maximum inventory level. And for the optimum order quantity, the equation is AOQ times square root of h plus s divided by s. And the maximum inventory level is almost the same equation, but for the maximum inventory level, it is AOQ times square root of s divided by h plus s. Okay, so this is the flowchart of the program. At the first, uh, we need to import math, so we can calculate the each of the equation is easier because it is using square root, and there are three problems: total cost, minimization cost, and maximum inventory level. And then we need to input the variables for each problem if all of it is a variable. And at first there is a unit adjustment that is planned to be on the program, but because of other problems might have a different unit, because it could be universal, so the unit adjustment it is removed from the option of the program, because the unit can be universal and it is hard to input the unit at first, and we need to change it on after that, because the unit adjustment will be uncertain for the input, and the output will follow the input unit. So for the program, that is home menu, it will explain about calculator, so basic explainment, and there are also another three menu: total cost, minimization cost, and maximum inventory level. For the total cost, so there are four constraints, and it is already written on the box: quantity to order, storage cost, order cost, and total demand plan. So if I'm going to input all of the constraints, and click calculate total inventory cost, the result will be here. And the unit, it will be a currency that is already known on the problem. And this is the result, 8,250. And this program is also uh, able to detect no input, so it will be like this. And alphabet input, so there will be a warning. And also for the last is alphanumeric input, it will be showing the warning to fill all of the box with numbers only. So if you change it, then the result will be appear. It is the same for the minimization cost, but it uses different equation and also different constraints. At the total cost, we have quantity to order, but on the minimization cost, it is needed to know about the unit cost of scarcity, or we can call it with small s. And it is the same with the last one. So if we calculate it, it will show the result. And this result is, the unit is the product type. So if it is a pair, then the unit is a pair of product, or if it is a box of product, then the unit is a box of product. So it will be uncertain depending on the problem. So, and this program is also can detect non-input, so also have the warning. And it is able to detect alphanumeric too, and also it is able to detect alphabet input only. So it will leave a warning to change it to all number of for the input. And for the last one, it is the maximum inventory level. It is the same for the constraint, but it has a different equation. So if we are inputting the same input, then result will be different. And this program also able to detect alphanumeric, alphabet, and zero input. So if we change it again, it will be able to calculate the constraints. And also for this unit of maximum inventory level, it is same with the minimization cost. It is about the product result. If it is a pair, then it is a pair unit, and or if it is a box of unit, then it is also a box of unit. So it is universal depending on the problem itself. Okay, so for the next one, I will show you the logbook of my progress. So this is the progress of the program. There are several progress, but I didn't have the uh, sign for it. But this is the work in progress of my program. So on the November 9th, so the problem is submitted, and November 27th, we were asked to for more tutorial videos, and on December 4th, it is rebuilding the INPY program because of several changes from the tutorial videos as the reference. And then this is the next progress. Normal calculator is able to calculate the input, but for the numerical only. So for the alphabet and alphabet numeric, it is unable to calculate and the program will be closed as we press the calculate button. And for the recent progress, it is able to calculate the alpha with alphabet and alphabet numeric, but it will give warnings as shown before. So yeah, this is the recent progress. So this is the logbook of computer programming progress of my work. That's all that I can explain. I hope it is useful to use this program. So thank you for watching.